Hello everyone, welcome back to Small Lathe. This is a long-term project. I know you've been waiting for it for quite some time, and I should say you've been very patient, and I do appreciate it. This is a knife. To be more specific, this is a pipe knife, a pipe cleaning knife. And I've made two designs here that I think I like. I hope they'll be useful. I don't smoke pipes. This knife is for my friend Cliff. So first of all, I learned how to make leather sheaths. Something very new to me, and I still think I have a lot more to do about it, to learn and practice and so on, and buy some tools possibly. Second thing, I've used this burl. This is an ironwood burl from the US. The steel is from Israel. The leather is from Spain. I've just been recently to Spain. And the brass is also local. Now this is not just a brass, it's a pipe cleaner, so you can clean your pipe. And this is a ram, so you can ram the tobacco down the drain, down into the pipe. And it's concave, so you'll have a half sphere or quarter sphere to light your tobacco more easily, or so I hope. Again, I have zero experience in smoking. I'm a non-smoker, and I definitely never smoked any pipes. So it's been a long run. It's been something like 10 to 12 weeks of work on Fridays only. That's the only spare time I do have. So I really hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy the videos that will follow. I hope you do like what I do here, and we'll have a lot more turning projects as well, of course, in the future, and a lot more knife projects. And that's because it's a trend to make knives today. This knife is for Cliff, my friend, and he's a knife maker, so I hope he'll like it. Professionally and usefully in both terms, and it's a bit nerve-wracking to send a master blacksmith that is a really amazing knife maker a knife. So Cliff, I really hope you'll find good use in that, and I really hope you think it's worthy to have this knife. And well, you guys keep on waiting. I'll start sending videos about once a week now of the knife making process. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.